Hello, guys. Welcome back to another episode of Learning Responsive Web Design. Yesterday, uh, we were building a web page, quiz page. We have done till 25 steps, and there are more steps to do. Okay, so let me just share the screen. hmm Okay, cool. Okay, so we were here. So let us have a quick recap of what we have done. So here we have done so there's the same boilerplate of HTML, and there is meta elements with character sets, then the content which is set as device with for the responsive web design part. Then there is a description of what this website is about. Then we have given a title tag with accessibility quiz. We have linked the CSS. Then we have attached the image, that is the logo of free code camp. Then we have used the navigation thing here to navigate to a particular section of the web page, and we have used another list, as you can see here. So then we have more. Okay, yeah, these were under the header subdivision. Then we move to the form. So form, we had method is equal to post, action is equal to which, where to go, where the databases should go. Then we have section which is student info, then HTML and CSS. The student info basically contains the information of the user. Then we have some quiz based on HTML and CSS. Yeah. So this is what we have done. So not a lot of CSS part is done. So mostly we are doing HTML. So now let us do the next step in a second. Okay, add the question text. Okay. So the next step was to add a question text inside the span element. hmm That's it. Dot sr only text is still visible. There is a common pattern to visually hide text for only screen readers to read. The pattern is set to the following properties. Okay. Dot sr only. Cool. This is a class selector. So here we are selecting this class. Where is this? SR only. Mm, Yeah, the question part. Okay, question one. Okay, cool. SR only. So, and we are asked to give position absolute this thing. Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. The question part is not visible. Position absolute with 1 pixel. Time spacing. Height 1 pixel. Padding 0. Margin -1. Overflow hidden. Club. White space. Border. So I don't know what we have done here. Each field set will contain a true or false question. Within the next one legend element and one unordered list with two options. Okay. Within each field set. Okay. Mm, so we have a legend element. Okay. Legend and one unordered list. Cool. Mm, students, two list element. Okay, okay. Two options. Okay, two list elements is also required. So li slash li. So just copy this thing. We okay. Got the Grizzly Bay. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. Finally, use the legend caption. Okay, give each field set an adequate name attribute. Then give both another list class of answers list. Okay, so here we will give name attribute as whatever. Q1 maybe. So then legend should have a class that is equal to um sorry, not legend, it's unordered list. Okay, this should have a class of answers list. Okay, here also we have the same thing, class equals answers list. mm, Fine. And the field set has some name attribute to name, maybe q2. mm, Element text content. Finally, use the legend to caption the content of the field set by placing a true or false. Oh, okay. So, what question? Um, what does HTML as HTML doesn't use, can't link CSS file, and then another field set. And here, what is a mm, doesn't have margin property. Okay. To provide functionality of the true or false question, we need a set of inputs which do not allow both to be selected at the same time. Within each element, nest one label element and within each element, nest one input element with appropriate type. So here, under the list element, we are having a label element. Mm, so input slash input. And this is, what is this, type is equal to radio button. Mhm. And what else? Mhm. Next one, input element with the appropriate type. Okay, type is radio. Then what else? Maybe checked now. Type radio. How do we do that? Hmm. Okay. Nice. Add an ID to all of your radio input so that you can link your. Okay. Give first one ID of Q1A1. Okay. Q2A2. Cool. Hmm. ID is equal to Q1A1. Here Q2A2. Sorry, Q1A2. Mm, Q2A1, and then finally Q2A2. Okay, so step number 31. Although not okay. Oh shit. Fuck you, anyone. It's going. For Q&A2, Q2, A1, for Q2, A2. So give the label element text such that the input comes before the text. Okay. Then give the input elements a value matching the text. Okay. Label element. What should I give? hmm So I should give text here, right? So it's true. Good. False. Better. Better. Remember to let her into your heart. Then you begin. Mhm. Put a value matching the label text content. Okay. Put value is equal to true. Equal to true. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Done. If you click on the radio inputs, you might notice both inputs within the can be selected at the same time. Group the relevant inputs together such that only one input from a pair can be selected. How can we do that? Name attribute. Okay. Name is also Q1, A2. Names again Q1, A1. Name is Q2, A1. Here name is equal to Q2, A2. Okay, then second input. Oh, okay. So if we have okay, let me say Q1 here, Q1, Q2, Q2. Oh, okay. If we have the same name, we are linking the input, so only one radio button can be selected. Fine. To prevent unnecessary repetition, target before pseudo element of h3 element. Give it a content property of question hashtag. Mm-hmm. I have no idea how to do this. Okay, h3 before. What is before? Where's h3 actually? Uh, these guys. This is the selector. Content. Okay. Question hashtag. So what is the h3 element here? Here the h3 element is the h3 h3. Yeah. Okay. Is there only question? Oh, cool. Element a content property of question content question hashtag. Things are fine, right? Mm, responsive design. Mm-hmm. Mm. H3 before content. Oh, okay. Oh, fine, fine, fine. Mm-hmm. 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 Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, it's done. The final section of this quiz will contain a drop down on the text box. Okay, begin by nesting a development of class form. Okay. So division class is equal to form row slash dev. So here nest for division elements. Class with question block and answer. Okay. Here we are nesting four division elements. Okay. And with class is equal to question block. Equal to answer. Class is equal to answer. Within the division dot question block element, nest one label element and add a CSS related question to the label text. Oh boy. So we have a label element. What is CSS something? What is CSS slash label? Again here label CSS question mark. Maybe we'll do. Oh, didn't even close it. Mm-hmm. Within the first divisor answer element, next one required select element with three option. Okay. Select three option elements. விலகிட்டு வர சொல்லு. Three option elements. Select. So here we are giving the value. Give the first option value. Okay. Okay. Value is equal to s. Here also we are having s. Here value is no. The same text no. Of saying. Oh, let's select an option. Okay, there are okay. These guys are test cases. You should give the select attribute required. Uh, Required. That's fine. Okay. Then we have link the first label element to the select element and give the select element a name attribute. So here we are using body one maybe select select a name attribute. Okay, name is also select shit id attribute. Id is also select. Okay, cool. Next one text area element within the second division answer element. Okay, text area. Okay, I forgot it. Row column. Row is equal to maybe 10. Okay, calls I guess. Calls is 30 I guess. And it doesn't require any closing tag. No. I have given okay not 10 30 attribute number row. Okay, rows calls. Yeah. mm, it's resizable. Okay, cool. As with other input label, link the text area to the corresponding label and give it a name attribute. Okay, so let's give a id t area label element. Or do you have any questions? So here we have for t area, text area, and also then this guy a name attribute. area, area, area. Do not forget to give a form a submit button with the text send. So where should I give it? Hmm? Where should I have it? Like here, button slash button, maybe. I don't know. Whatever. So type is equal to submit, and then should have send. Then okay, that's fine. Two final semantic HTML for this project. Footer and address element. The footer is a container for a collection of content that is related to page address. Mm-hmm. So this is okay. The CSS part. Couldn't think of it. Footer. That's fine. Okay, this is under the address element. She. Saying that's it. Okay. Doesn't have contain a physical job. It can be used to. Okay, that's done. Back to the styling of the page. Select the list element with the navigation bar and give the following styles. Okay. Okay, so navigation. So list. I think this should do color. If this changes the color, then that's better. Say this doesn't change something. Zero top and bottom to rim. Nope. So navigation within the navigation bar list and I'm gonna give the okay. Uh, so should I give dot ul? Mm, yes. Okay. How do I give the child parent thing here? Yeah. Now li. Okay, that's better. Mm, padding is at a 0.2 rem. Okay, display is block. Display. Display of block. On the topic of visual accessibility, contrast between elements is key. All the anchor elements as How should I change the contrast ratio? Do we have contrast? Mm-hmm. Don't have contrast ratio. Yeah. Maybe font color. Maybe color. I don't know. Blues contrasting. Brown. Better for me. Of A elements inside list. So list dot A elements. So DFD, EFD, how they are using the contrast ratio? Just shit. Okay. Yeah. How DFD to DFD to what contrast are we talking about? Mhm. To make navigation buttons look more typical buttons, remove the underline from the anchor line. How do I remove underline? Then create a new selected targeting and navigation list so that when the cursor hovers on them, the background color and the text color switch the cursor becomes a pointer. Oopsie. I have no idea how to do it. Okay, text decoration is none. Text decoration is none. Okay, so this removes the underline and then we have navigation under which UL under which airline hover the property. Mhm. Background color is be red and cursor will become pointer. Okay, there's no specification of colors. Inherit. So if I go here, okay. Oh, fine. The grizzly bear, he got the bear. We got this bear, bear, grizzly bear. Okay, header by using flexbox to put the space between the children and vertically center them. Okay, justify, I guess, justify content space evenly, I guess. I totally forgot it. Mm-hmm. Oh, sorry. Space between. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Vertically center them. Align items center. Oopsie. To the top of the viewport. What is that position? No, what these guys are actually doing? Top zero. No, what we have done here? Screen with a small assistant does not wrap its text content. How it should align the text? Hmm. So align maybe center. Align center. Align text maybe. Align text. Align item. What's it actually justify center? No, 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 no. Align right. Align center. This was doing the job. Text align center. Okay. Mm-hmm. Line selector. Okay. Padding 0.5 rem of some 20 pixel. 60 pixels. That's better. Oh shit. That's better. On small screen, the unordered list and the navigation bar overflows the right side of the screen using this flex font to wrap. It's flex wrap, right? You know, flex wrap of wrap. That's it, guys. So we've done actually 50 steps, and there is still the CSS part remaining. I think I can't continue further. There are more new things that I have come across, and many things I have forgot too. So we would meet tomorrow and have a quick discussion on what we have done, and let us continue the course. Okay, bye.